begin tonight with breaking news out of Norfolk. A jury found Rashad Dooley guilty on just 3 of the 13 charges against him.
But he was found not guilty of murder for the death of Old Dominion University student Chris Cummings. Allison Basil is live at the Norfolk courthouse tonight. And Allison, break down the charges for us.
David, Janet, the jury found Rashad Dooley guilty for conspiracy to commit first-degree murder, attempted robbery, and conspiracy to commit burglary. But when the judge announced the verdict, Dooley's defense attorney told her his client wasn't at the courthouse. Jurors found Rashad Dooley not guilty of 10 charges. That includes first-degree murder and attempted second-degree murder. His attorney, Eric Corsland, says the verdict is bittersweet.
We beat the murder charge, we beat an aggravated malicious wounding charge. I can go on and on and on. He was found not guilty of 10 charges. Obviously, we're very pleased about that, but extremely disappointed that he's found guilty of 3.
Corsland says Dooley maintains his innocence and at one time turned down a full immunity deal. We asked Corsland where his client was at the time of the verdict.
What I told the judge was he wanted to see his daughter last time, or he had to pick up his daughter, something to that effect, and he asked if I could just stand in for him.
Dooley faced the 13 charges in the murder of ODU student Chris Cummings in 2011 and the attempted murder of his roommate. Cummings' father, James Cummings, says he's okay with the verdict.
Hoping that there would be more convictions, more of the charges, but we're happy with the 3 that we've got.
Norfolk Commonwealth's attorney Ramin Fadahi couldn't say much, but says he's glad to get something on this case.
I hope that the verdict in this case brings some closure to the Cummings family and the Carey family.
For Cummings, he says it's a bit of justice. He says he carries his son Chris with him every day.
I have a picture of him in the living room that I kiss every night before I go to bed.
And following the verdict, Judge Michelle Atkins issued a warrant for Dooley's arrest, and she revoked his bond. Live in Norfolk, Allison Basil, 13 News Now.
Court officials say Rashad Dooley's sentencing is set for December.